Excavation safety interview, question and answer. What is the excavation? And types of excavation. Any man-made cavity, cut, trench or depression on an earth surface formed by earth removal. Types of excavation. A. Manual excavation, the excavation without using any powered equipment. B. Mechanical excavation, the excavation work using any electrical or mechanical equipment. Explain about excavation notification. Excavation notification is a document to notify concerned authorities who have responsibility and jurisdiction for safety and integrity of above-ground and underground services existing at the proposed site of excavation. Excavation notification must be supported by a work permit. Excavation notification is valid for 90 days from the date of issued. Excavation notification is required for all excavations regardless of depth. Why excavation notification required for excavation? Excavation notification gives detailed information about the underground facilities, and it is to be signed by all KOC concerned departments to confirm that the proposed excavation location has been identified and all safety measures have been taken for the existing underground facilities. What are the excavation hazards? Cave-in or collapse of soil, risk due to presence of underground installations, pipelines, cables. Drowning due to water seepage into trench. Soil vibration due to machinery, heavy vehicles operations in the vicinity. Lack of oxygen or asphyxiation, etc. Underground obstruction or damage to buried pipeline services. Accidental fall of personnel or equipment inside a trench, struck hit by excavating machinery. Dropped falling objects, flammable or toxic gas release, exposed to airborne contaminants, fire explosion, electrical shock due to contact with energized electrical telecom cable. Possible presence of explosive device. Damage to shallow underground services due to weight of heavy equipment such as mechanical excavator. Encountering wet soil, mixed with water, or reaching water table. Encountering contaminated soil. What are the safety precautions required for a safe excavation? No excavation work in KOC area without clearance of explosive ordnance disposal (EOD). No mechanical excavation closer than 5 meters to any hydrocarbon carrying pipeline. No mechanical excavation closer than 3 meters to a non-hydrocarbon carrying pipeline. Cables and services. For any excavation deeper than 1 m, ladder must be positioned projecting minimum 1 meter above the edge of the excavations. Ladders shall be provided every 7.5 meters, 25 feet, of lateral travel in the trench. Ladders shall be securely supported at the bottom as well as at the top. Excavated material shall be placed 1 m from the edge of the excavation for depth up to 1.2 meter. Accordingly, placement of excavated material shall be increased proportion to the depth of excavation. Heavy equipment, machinery shall be kept at least 3 meters away from the edge. Any walkway across trench shall have scaffold-type platform with handrails. All trenches shall have barrier, such as fixed guardrails, and reflective warning notices clearly displayed. Flashing lights are mandatory during poor visibility. The access to plant, equipment, and emergency services must not be obstructed by the trenches. No mechanical excavation is allowed inside the existing KOC facilities, gathering center, booster station, water injection and handling facilities, etc.